Hi friends, I'm Zinara and welcome to Zara's Kitchen. Today we're making super quick mini pizzas. For the marinated chicken, we need yogurt, chicken cubes, lemon juice, oil, red chili, salt and chaat masala. And we'll mix it in this bowl. Here's the chicken. Lemon juice, oil, and all of the masalas. And mix it all up. And now we'll marinate the chicken for 20 minutes. The marinated chicken is done. We don't need oil for this because we already added oil in the chicken. Friends, I added some water. Now we'll let it cook till the chicken is done. Chicken's ready. Look how it turned out. It smells yummy. And now we are going to put it on our buns. Friends, the chicken's ready. Now we're going to make the pizza. Ingredients we need: cheddar cheese, mozzarella cheese, marinated chicken, square-shaped onions, oregano, olives, and tomato sauce. Now I'm going to put the tomato sauce on the bun. Friends, I'm going to continue this on all the buns. Tomato sauce is ready. I applied it on all the buns. Now I'm going to add the cheese. And now for the mozzarella cheese. Now for the chicken. And now add the onions. Add the cheese again. Now add some olives. Some oregano. And now I'm going to do the same with the rest. Pizzas are ready. I'm going to put them in the oven and I've already turned on the grill. And we'll let it cook till the cheese is goldenish brown. Our pizzas are ready. Now I'm going to take them out from the oven. See how beautiful they turned out? Friends, the pizzas are done. They smell really nice. And I hope you love my recipe. If you love it, then share it, subscribe it, and don't don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Bye bye.